Hi, this is Javin Farooq, a chemical engineer by profession, going to continue our today's lecture why ISO standards are essential. Chemical industries is a major source of vast type of toxic waste. Chemical fiber, harmful solvent, contaminate water, and lethal gases, even process that are used by chemical manufacturing are hazardous, reactive, and corrosive. They possess substantial threat to health and workers. They are involved in the process. No doubt, chemical industries regulated by numerous rules and law and save human and environment as well company from the associated risk imply the importance ISO standard. Chemical industries, we put further emphasize the important certification for chemical manufacturing business. One such business, this help understand, achieve them must priority by the which the chemical manufacturing company rely on the major natural resources starting from water, oil, mineral, reserve, fuel and natural gas. They were either use critical process, they are subject to complex reaction and produce end product. Common product of the industries are petrochemical, agrochemical, rubber, polymer, plastic, paint, fragrance and cosmetic, many more. While all the products are general consumer for immutable purpose, manufacturer need to make sure raw material and safest way to consumption end product does not harm health and consumer. There are many aspects of chemical manufacturing company need to look and observe operation product have impact on customer environment community. Now it's depend reducing damage to environment, reducing use of energy source, reducing risk public health and safety, reducing impact during transportation, ensuring better supply practice and ensuring safer work environment. Now certification, quality environment, work safety and relevant standard help to chemical production company overcome the challenges by implementing comprehensive management system. Now ISO 9001 international standard, quality, framework and regulation develop strong quality management system. The quality management system help to introduce, practice and control make process effective, turn pressure and quality of final product. Therefore achieve the ensure all the chemical business have dedicated approach to quality and that product are outstanding quality ones. ISO 14000. They are standard environment safety which define framework, establish practice environment management system. Environment management system, company able access, prevent reduce and eliminate harmful effect of their chemical processing activity on the environment. The standard also help company meet environment legal compliance, fine, penalty, regulation damage in public litigation. ISO 45001 company must get certified standard ensure all the valuable worker, impacts, harsh and complex chemical manufacturing process, health hazard risk. The standard laid out the guideline established occupational health and safety management system which promote strict safety practice, work and measure assure hygienic work environment. And ISO 27000 chemical product manufacturer need to keep lot of international and information related product, formula, manufacturing process, raw material, secret and their copyright product. Also many chemical form vulnerable to risk and vandalize, theft to fire and causes chaos, violence in the region. Therefore, standard information security management essential requirement. Help to complete strong information security management, place, prevent privacy, branches and mission. Now, definition of each standard investigate certification must be part of business strategy. However, benefit exploit are cost saving. Having quality environment and certification, you can access manufacturing operation quite efficiently, which lead cost saving, save them, invest, expect business to promote growth, better quality. Of course, implementation quality management system result, best practice, quality check, and remove risk. The product assures safety of consumer, improve stakeholder relationship. Any certification will have positive impact relationship on company, stakeholder. It provides and prove compliance with essential industry regulation, legal environment obligation, and commitment deliver best quality product. Stakeholder feel better about being part of company that is responsible everywhere and have prospect growth. Continue improvement. Maintain compliance standard. Need to perform audit regularly, which help find process, aspect company and improve employee safety. With implementation, employee feel safe at work, can give maximum performance without distress. It also helps comply government work, safety law and regulation, international level authority, and prevent prosecution and legal issues. The most basic chemical industries define conversion, raw resources, oil, petroleum, gas, air, water, metal, mineral, vast number of finished products, many areas, and lot of touch chemical in the form of pesticide, petrochemical, perfume, paint, major role, global economy, make farming more efficient, improve medical care, rise living standard, bring various new conveniences, pharmaceutical, polymer, fertilizer, created all the world which help various sectors, medicine, manufacturing, farming, and other hand, huge amount of plastic being used. The lead people worry about the harm and environment, human health, long-term impact. Lot of petroleum and natural gas refinery established around reserve, near coast offshore, putting pressure, marine life, people living close to the sea and control the ISO certification, most important secure our future. Now, benefit of chemical industries ISO certification. Its benefit, reducing operating cost, improve product quality, improve supply, customer relationship, meet regulatory requirements, lowering environment impact, and fostering healthy work environment. Why? PPE standard matter in oil and gas. Oil and gas worker face daily risks such as flash fire, toxic chemicals and sudden system failure, which make PPE regulation necessary non-compliance, lead devastating injury, legal penalty, operational shutdown, international standard, ISO, and the consistency, reliability, and robust protection matter operation take place, adhering standard, create a culture, safety, and accountability. Now, ISO standard. ISO standard globally recognized PPE performance across multiple industries, which ISO 11612 showing cornerstone and protective clothing in the oil and gas sector. What should it explain? This standard specify minimum performance required, craft, design, protect against heat and flame. It complement international standard and offering global credibility and making indispensable for international operations. Now, compliances and best practice mitigate legal requirements in a high-risk sector. Leading organizations adopt the best practice approach, proactive accessing hazard, maintain PPE compliance checklist, and conducting regular audit. Now, one of the HAZCAM safety work, safety over flag, deliver solution and exit minimum standard, also maximum production and peace of the mind, choosing trusted, expedient, supply, partner committee, safeguard, workplace and workforce, helping to navigate complex compliances. Now, PPE of the work site, flame resistance clothing, hot work and welding gear, chemical protective suit, handling corrosive surface, and anti-static clothing. Operation around flammable gases. Every item certified, labeled, accompanied by the expert team assist, stage and the hazard assessment through selection, delivery, ongoing support and the right first time choice and comprises on the sector. Understand adhering PPE classification ISO standard is essential worker protection oil and gas industries, but beyond the compliances must prioritize safety and partnership with the trusted supplier who understand sector demand inside and out. Now, what is ISO 29001? ISO 29001 is international standard, international organization and standardization, collaboration, oil and gas industries specifically designed quality management system in oil, gas, petrochemical sector, standardized ISO 9001, but expand to include additional requirements specific industries. ISO 29001 provide detailed guidelines, design development, production, installation, servicing, product service, oil, gas, and petrochemical industries. Goal to standard, compliance with the highest quality, safety standard, minimize risk, failure, ensure operational continuity sector globally. Now, certification ISO 29001 bring numerous benefits in oil, gas, and petrochemical sector, increase operational safety, meeting client requirement, improve operational efficiency, minimize financial and reputation risk, and competitive advantage. ISO 29001 certificate distinguishes company, market, and facing creditability with the business part. Now, key element ISO 29000 is risk management. Second, quality management. Third, continuous improvement. Fourth, supplier management. And fifth, strategy management. Now, benefit of ISO 29001 certificate is compliance with international standards, increase operational reliability, protect of the company reputation, cost optimization, and access new market. Okay. Now, ISO 29001 certification process. First, preparation, gap analysis, access current quality management practice. Again, ISO 29001 requirement, plan, develop strategy, align operational process with the standard requirement, system implementation, staff training, and the personal standard and new requirement, procedure related ISO 29001, system documentation, develop required documentation of quality and risk management in company, procedure implementation, introduce new and updated procedure, daily operations. Now, internal audit, compliance verification, conduct internal audit, evaluate the effectiveness of implemented process, corrective action, improve process, ensure full compliance with standard requirements, certification audit, review documentation, and access of the organization readiness of the audit. Stage 2, detailed operational audit conducted, accredited auditor and certification. And sixth one is monitor and improvement, surveillance audit, regular audit, maintain compliance, ISO 29000, continue improvement, organization should continuous review and improve quality management process. Now, frequently asked question, is ISO 29001 recognized worldwide? Yes, ISO 29001 globally recognized standard oil, gas, petrochemical company and organization worldwide. Each company can obtain ISO 29001 certification. Yes, ISO 29001 certification designed company across oil, gas and petrochemical sector, manufacture and supplier, company involved in servicing and installation. How does ISO 29001 implementation and certification process take? The ISO 29001 implementation and certification process several months, a year, depending size of company, its level, preparedness, and scope of operation. What are the cost of 29001 certification? Cost of implementation and certification depend size of organization, complexity process, and degree compliance with standard include audit as well as cost of implementing new procedure and practice. Now, ISO 29001 certification is the key to company, oil, gas, and petrochemical sector, highest standard, quality management, and safety. ISO 29001 organization, effective managerial risk, minimize losses, enhance their operational efficiency, holding 29,001 certification, increase company creditability and international market, and open new business opportunities. Okay guys, this is up to our today's topic, ISO, standard and their essentials. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching this video. Next Sunday, we have covered some another chemical engineering topics. Till then, goodbye. Do take good care of yourself.